you're a man who's somewhat high performing, yet you find yourself spinning your wheels because you're trying to juggle family, self and service, and along the lines of doing that, yeah, you're pushing hard and making money, but your relationship with your wife is suffering, you're not getting the respect you deserve with the kids. Admittedly, yep, sure, you can be more present with the children, you're probably lacking some skills when it comes to the wife, but this isn't what you signed up for. I understand what you're feeling, man. This frustration, confusion on what the fuck am I doing all this for? I'm just bending over backwards, burning myself out, and I'm getting no appreciation is a warranted and valid thing. One, you're not alone, and two, there is a pathway forward, but you need to understand the game has changed. And that's what I want to invite you into, creating a blueprint that actually wins this new game in the modern world. My name's Al, I'm the founder of High Performance Father. Look, we've helped over 8,000 fathers now. We've got an entire team. We're actually flying over to Perth to run a one-off exclusive live in-person event in Perth in June, and I want to invite you into that. Why? Well, man, I'm going to be giving you a blueprint that has not only helped the lives of over 8,000 fathers, but it's going to give you clear, tangible direction on exactly what you need to do to get in control of your life again. That starts with structure, to build your capacity and skill sets around how to become the leader you need for your children, for your wife, for your business place of work, and for yourself. There are all 4 different types of leadership roles that are required, and showing you how to do that consistently. Now, if that excites you, being a man who's in control of his life, has fucking phenomenal intimacy and connection with his wife, is held up as the king and the hero of the family through the eyes of his children, and they want to be around you when they're adults, that's the level of impact you have with them, to the point where you are still going out and hunting and producing, but you're actually living the life that you want on your terms with the people that you love, connected to the most. If that's something that excites you, man, well then what are you waiting for? Don't fuck around. Hit the link, get yourself a seat today. Join me and my team for a 4-hour breakthrough where we're going to be working in real time, in the flesh, on your blueprint towards that end game. Because it's totally possible. We've done it with thousands before you, and we'll do it with thousands after you. Our goal is actually 1 million fathers and families strong through turbulent times by 2028. And what better investment to make than in the spine of that family, which is you. So tap the link, look at the details and the insights here. It's going to be a phenomenal event. We've already done the East Coast. We're coming over to Perth. This is a one-off, no second chances, no do-overs. Join me and my team in what's going to be an unbelievable line in the sand for you and your family.